Dr. R.P. Sagar Lodha, Consultant Obstetrician and Gynecologist from Ovum Hospitals, Kalyan Nagar. Today we'll be discussing about the birth control methods. So there are various kinds of birth control methods available here. So coming to stepwise birth control methods, the first is the natural method. So natural method we advise to all the patients, especially if they are not wanting to conceive during that time period. So basically the fertile period is from day 11 to day 18 of each menstrual cycle. So we tell the patients to use any kind of contraception during this period if they are not looking for a child at that time. So that is natural conception, or that is a natural period where the patients have highest chances to conceive. So that is a natural method which they can follow and avoid intercourse during the fertility areas, or use contraception using those areas. Now coming to contraception. So what is contraception? Contraception is a word which is coined which means to prevent pregnancy. The methods to prevent pregnancy is called as, or it's termed as, contraception. So now there are various kinds of birth control methods which are available in India. Now firstly, we'll come to the most important and the most widely used contraceptive method, which is also easy to use. That is also called as barrier method. In layman language, it is called as a condom. So condom can be safely used by each and every person without any contraindications. It acts by spermicide, so it does not allow the fertilization of the sperm with ova. The other benefits of condoms are the STDs, which are sexually transmitted diseases, can be prevented from the use of the condom. It is also cost effective, it is easily available in the market, and of course it has to be worn safely and worn properly. If there is any leakage in the condom, then it should not be used. Now coming to the other methods, which are oral contraceptive pills. So oral contraceptive pills are widely used kind of contraceptive methods among women. So how do we use these oral contraceptive pills? So basically their mode of action is that they prevent ovulation. So now the oral contraceptive pills are 99% effective. So they are used from day 1 of the cycle to day 21 of the cycle. Then you have to give a gap of 7 days. From 8th day again you have to open a second packet. So this can be consecutively taken for 6 months to 1 year. But we don't advise usage of oral contraceptive pills for a longer period, say about more than 6 months or more than 1 year, because even they can have side effects. Now there are certain contraindications also to use oral contraceptive pills. The patients who are smokers, who are alcoholics or more smokers, who have history of blood clots, or who are above the age of 35, also who have history of migraine. So these patients we usually don't advise oral contraceptive pills. Also, if you have missed 1 day of oral contraceptive pill, it is fine, you can take it as soon as you remember. But if you miss more than 1 day, suppose you miss 2 pills consecutively, then the action will be hampered, and during that cycle you have to use another mode of contraception to prevent pregnancy. So every day you have to remember and take the oral contraceptive pills. Widely amount or number of contraceptive pills are available in the market, so you should take it after consulting with your gynecologist. Coming to the other method is Nuva ring. So the Nuva ring can be inserted into the vagina for 21 days, and after that you have to give it a gap of 7 days. So basically these rings are available in the market for those people who are not tolerable to drugs for a longer time, or they don't want to take oral contraceptive pills for a longer time. But these Nuva rings are not that much advisable in India. Coming to the other method, which is called as the patches. So these are basically the contraceptive patches which are available, which you can insert it into your arm below the skin. It's a OPD procedure. So how you have to put it is, you have to go to the OPD and put a patch for 1 week, and again you have to change the patch to the second week. So 3 patches you have to use each week, each patch, and then 1 week will be patch free, just like oral contraceptive pills. But the only thing is that you have to go to the OPD again and put the patch again. Also, because of the moisture, the chances of slipping of the patch is more, so in India it is not that much recommendable. Coming to the other methods, which are IUCDs. These are also widely used these days. These are called as intrauterine contraceptive devices. So these are available in 2 variants. One is Copper T, one is Mirena. Copper T can be used for 5 years, and also it is available for 3 years. It can be used during your menstrual cycle to avoid pain. And of course, it's an effective method to prevent pregnancy. It is also the most effective thing is that it can be used for a longer range of period, that is 5 years continuously. It is comfortable. Also, if the copper T is not suitable, we can use Mirena, but Mirena has of course progesterone content in it also. So this is also an OPD procedure. You can just walk in during your cycle period on 4th or 5th day of the cycle and we can insert copper T easily. If there are any side effects or if the patient is feeling any uncomfortableness, then we can remove the copper T instantly in the OPD. The other procedures which will be talked is injectables. Of course, we don't advise injectable much because sometimes they tend to cause some irregular bleeding. For injectable methods, you have to use one injection in 3 months. So every 3 months, you have to use this injection to prevent pregnancy. It is not much recommended because of the irregular bleeding which we have seen and as a major complaint in our patients. Coming to the emergency contraception again is the levodopa pill, that is I-pill, which you have to take within 72 hours, but it is very high dose. So why it is named as emergency? So you should only use it whenever emergency. These pills should not be used again and again because of the high dosage. The other is copper T. It can be used or it can be put within 5 days of your last unprotected intercourse. So these are the emergency contraceptive methods. And so these are the list of the contraceptive or the birth control methods available. And of course, you can go to any gynaec for the consultation or you can visit us for other basic knowledge about the birth control methods. Thank you.